Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2011 S550 4MATIC. This one is a magnetite black. Underneath the hood is a 5.5 V8 pushing out 382 horsepower and 391 pounds of torque with a 7-speed automatic transmission. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights, 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. We've got a cashmere Savannah leather interior, panorama sunroof, plenty of space in the back, front and rear heated and cooled seats, ambient lighting. Coming around back, we've got our S550 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, comfort box for extra storage, set of floor mats. Up front, got Burmeister sound system, a burl walnut wood trim, memory seats, power windows, illuminated door sill, heated steering wheel, a burl walnut wood and leather steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera, navigation, dual climate controls, cup holders, hard keys for a media display. This S550 has 107,375 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this S550, check out feldmanimports.com.